And our third question is, if n factorial squared divided by the quantity n plus 1 factorial times the quantity n minus 1 factorial. Jeremy.
7.
7 is the correct answer.
Can you solve this in a second? Anyway, let us simplify it together. The question says, if n factorial squared all over n plus 1 factorial multiplied by n minus 1 factorial is equal to 7 over 8, then we are asked to find the value of n. Having square at the numerator, we can write this equation to be n factorial multiplied by n factorial, because n factorial squared means n factorial multiplied by n factorial, then all over n plus 1 factorial multiplied by n minus 1 factorial equals 7 over 8. And we should not forget the meaning of factorial. It means that n factorial is equals to n multiplied by n minus 1 factorial. And that is the general form of factorial. Then we can also recall that n plus 1 factorial is equal to n plus 1 multiplied by n factorial. We are going to be needing these two in our solution. So the original equation becomes n factorial multiplied by n factorial all over. Instead of n plus 1 factorial, we are going to be using n plus 1 multiplied by n factorial. Then the second n minus 1 factorial still remains. Then is equals to 7 over 8. So we've already substituted n plus 1 factorial. So by simplifying this, n factorial will cancel out n factorial at the denominator. So we are going to be having n factorial all over n plus 1 multiplied by n minus 1 factorial is equals to 7 over 8. So simplifying further as well, we are going to be having n multiplied by n minus 1 factorial. How did we arrive at this? Don't forget the meaning of n factorial. It means n multiplied by n minus 1 factorial. So we substituted for the value of n factorial again. So with this, n minus 1 factorial at the numerator will divide n minus 1 factorial at the denominator. So we are going to be having n over n plus 1 is equals to 7 over 8. So we have successfully removed the factorial and we have turned it to a simple linear equation. So here we are going to cross multiply. By cross multiplication, we are going to be having 8 multiplied by n, which is 8n, is equals to 7 multiplied by n plus 1. So we are going to open the bracket at the right hand side. So we have 8n is equals to 7 times n, that's 7n, plus 7 times 1, that is 7. So collecting the like terms, you have 8n minus 7n is equals to 7. And 8n minus 7n is equals to n. And therefore, n is equals to 7. And that's the final answer. So can you solve this in a second or not?